Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Power BI, specifically how to quickly add year, quarter, month, and day columns to your data in Power Query. If you're just starting out with Power BI or want to make your data analysis more flexible, this tutorial is absolutely for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to break down your date fields into meaningful parts like years, quarters, months, and days, which opens up all kinds of possibilities for deeper reporting and insights. So let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you open up Power BI and head into Power Query. Power Query is the data loading and transforming area of Power BI, and it's where we clean up or reshape your raw data before building any reports. Picture it like a prep kitchen before the main course. You want everything neat and tidy before you start cooking up visualizations. Here I've got a small sample dataset loaded, just to keep things simple as we walk through this together. If you have your own data, just follow along using that. Now you might find that your dataset has a date column. Maybe it's called order date or transaction date. Our goal today is to break that single date column into separate columns for year, quarter, month, and day. The reason we do this is to make it much easier to slice and dice your data later. Instead of having to write complicated formulas, you can just filter by year or compare sales per quarter at the click of a button. So here's what you need to do. Start by selecting the date column you want to split up. Click once to highlight it, making sure you've got the right column. Sometimes folks accidentally pick a text or number column, so double check it's really a date type. Next, at the top of the Power Query editor, look for the Add Column tab and give it a click. This is where all the magic happens when you want to create new fields based on existing data. With your date column still selected, move your attention up to the Date option in that tab. It might look like a little calendar icon. Click Date, and a drop-down will appear with different options like year, month, day, and quarter. Start by choosing year. When you select this, Power Query automatically creates a new column showing just the year from each date. So if your date was 2022-04-15, the new column would have just 2022. Pretty convenient, right? Now repeat the process to add quarter, month, and day columns. Each time select your original date column, then click Date, and pick which element you want. Maybe next you pick quarter, then month, and finally day. Each new column gives you a simple way to break down your dates for filtering, grouping, or visualizing. If you're working with sales data, for instance, you'll love how easy it becomes to analyze by quarter or see which days of the month are busiest for your team. This part might take a few moments as Power Query adds those extra columns, especially if you're working with a large data set. Don't worry if it seems to lag for a second, that's just the system churning through the data. If you ever make a mistake or want to remove a column, you can just right-click it and choose Remove, so it's super forgiving. And that's really all there is to it. With these new date columns in place, you've empowered your data model to do way more, whether you're building dashboards, reports, or just exploring patterns over time. I hope this walkthrough made things clearer for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or something not working quite right, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.